Hey, hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Great, great. It's great to have you back, class. So today we're going to start with a greeting. So I want you to please take a look about this greeting, okay? First of all, I'm going to practice the pronunciation with you guys, okay? Don't repeat now, okay? So just going to pronounce it. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. And you? I'm great. Thank you. It's a beautiful day. You're right, my friend. Okay? Now we're going to do it together. So just stay in the seat. Don't stand up, please, okay? So we're gonna do it in this way. Okay, I'm going to clap my hands and I want you to clap your hands as well. Okay? We're gonna do it together. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm great, thank you.
I'm great, thank you.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
You're right, my friend.
You're right, my friend.
Okay, let's do it one more time. One more time. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm great, thank you.
I'm great, thank you.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
You're right, my friend.
You're right, my friend.
Excellent, that was a good job. Let's clap our hands. Good, good. Okay, awesome. In our previous class, we studied about our dream job. For example, we were talking about a teacher, like me, right? I'm a teacher. We were talking about a pilot. We were talking about an architect. We were talking about a police officer, engineer, and so on. There are different jobs that we can have, all right? So today, we're going to study about paychecks and budgets. All right, everybody repeat after me, please. Paychecks
Paychecks
and
and
budgets.
budgets.
One more time, please, with enthusiasm, please. Paychecks
Paychecks
and
and
budgets.
budgets.
Okay, very good, very good. First of all, we're going to practice with numbers. I know you're familiar with these numbers, but I thought that it was a good idea to practice with you. Okay? So, let's listen and repeat. Okay? Repeat after me, please. Okay. 0,
0,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Yeah, don't forget the final sound of this number. The final sound of this number is 5.
5,
5. Correct. 6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20,
20,
21.
21.
Now, I want you to pay attention and I want you to take a look about this number. We're using a symbol with this number. We say 21, but we have to include a dash. All right? With some numbers, we have to include dash. Like for example, numbers between 21, 22, 23, and so on until 29, we have to include the dash. It happens with numbers between 31 and 39. It happens with the numbers between 41, 49, 51, 59, 61, 69, 71, 79, 81, 89, and 91, 99. We have to include the dash. Everybody repeat after me. Dash.
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 Okay. Okay, very good, excellent. Okay, and then we have these numbers, 30,
30,
30,
30,
30,
30,
okay, 40,
40,
50,
50,
50,
50,
60,
60,
70,
70,
80,
80,
90.
90,
Okay, now we have this amount, which is, we can say 100 or 100. Okay, let's repeat. 100,
100,
100.
100,
Good. 1,000,
1,000,
1,000.
1,000,
10,000,
10,000,
100,000,
100,000,
1 million.
1 million.
Okay, today we're gonna be working with numbers like, for example, let me write an example. Big numbers, we're talking about big numbers, okay? Like this one. How do we write it in English? We do it in this way. We say 4, 100, and 35, okay? Let me write one more example, please. Okay, now I'm going to explain one more number. This number is big, right? Is it big? Big number. Okay, but it's easy, okay? It's really easy. Once you know how to deal with big numbers, it's easy to write them in English. For example, we have to write 3, and we're talking about 300,000. 100 or 1,000?
1,000,
1,000, correct. So 3,000. So far, so good. Now, let's work with this number. Only this number is 100 or 1,000? Right, it's 100. So 3,100. And the last number in this amount is 25, correct? So I say and 20, don't forget the dash, 25. And that's it. Simple. Is it easy? Is it easy? So? Okay. It's easy, good. Let's repeat. 3,000. 3,000.
3,000,
100.
100,
And 25.
25,
Okay, one more time. 3,000.
3,000,
100.
100,
And
and
25.
25.
Excellent. That's good. That's good. Okay, now we're gonna be working with these numbers, and I'm gonna use these dice. Okay, I have 2 dice. I'm going to throw the dice one by one, and what do you have to do? You have to write the numbers. I'm going to throw the first dice one time and then the other one. So to complete a number of 2 digits, okay? Or to form a number of 2 digits. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, but I'm gonna need 2 volunteers, okay? 2 volunteers. One of you is gonna be writing the number over here, and the other volunteer is gonna be writing the number in this part, okay? Volunteers? Okay, very good. Stand up, please. Okay, yeah, go ahead. Stand up and come in front. Okay, stay here. Okay, very good. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to throw the first dice. I want you to see the number. What's the number?
0.
0. Okay, very good. The first digit is 0. Very good. I'm going to throw the other dice. Oh, okay. It's again 0. We're gonna do it one more time because we need a bigger number. We don't need 0 since the beginning. Okay, let me try one more time. I want you to do it. I want you to throw the dice, please. Yeah, just throw it. Excellent. Can you pick up the dice? Can you pick up the dice? Yeah, and bring it over, please. Okay? Show the dice. Show the dice to the class. Show the dice. Show the dice. The dice. Show the number. What's the number? Show. Okay, show it. What's the number, class?
7.
Okay, 7. I'm going to throw one more time the dice. Oh, very good. Could you pick up the dice? Very good. Show it to the class. What's the number?
1.
So, I want you to write that number in your notebooks. Thank you. Very good. Thank you. I want you to write that number and you on the whiteboard. This is a competition, okay? So they are going to do it fast. All right, hold on. Hold on. Thank you. You may take a seat. Thank you very much. And what about you guys? Can I see? Can I see? Okay, okay. All right. The first number, she wrote 7, 1, right? Because she thought in 2 digits, 7 and 1. But in this case, we don't do it in that way. We do it in this way, 71, right? Because 70 represents 70 and 1 represents 1. So together, it's 71. But it's okay, we're learning. So 71, this is the correct option. Okay, very good. Let's clap our hands. Good job. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now that we know how to write the numbers, we're going to have a competition. Do you like competitions? Yes or not?
Yes.
Ah, very good. So this is going to be Team A. Okay? Team A. And you're going to be Team B. Correct. Team B. All right. I'm going to write some numbers on the board. So we're going to use these numbers in the competition. All right. Let me just finish. Okay, so we have the numbers on the board, and remember that this is a competition. The team who finishes first is going to be the winner. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, action! All right, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, give the marker. Come on. Okay. Come on, this team. All right. 3 numbers over here. Okay, okay. Come on, guys. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up, guys. Two more numbers over here, two more numbers. All right? Okay, stop. Yeah. Okay, that's okay. Because we have one extra number. It seems like we have one extra number, right? Okay, no problem. Okay, go ahead. We're gonna give him the opportunity to finish, okay? Yeah. Go ahead, finish. 5, 5. No, it's good. It's good because he's practicing. So 5, 5. We're going to help him. Thousand. What, hey class, what do you think about this number? Is it difficult? Difficult, easy, or difficult?
Easy.
Easy, are you sure? I think it's the most difficult one in the list. Okay, okay. This team A, thank you very much. Okay, let's clap our hands. Let's clap our hands. This team finished first, correct? Let's check the numbers. The first one is basically 23. And this one is not good. Okay, not good. Not good. The next number, 35. Let's see, 3. Well, actually, 35. But the correct answer is 35. Is it good?
Yeah.
It's good, but he's missing the dash, but it's good. Oh, very good. Next, 74 is good. 74. I think this is Y, right? Yeah, just he's missing the dash. Okay, I think it's good. Next number, 46. 46, I think this is X, yeah. And 46, 40. Oh, this is good. What about this one? 120, 0. It's only 120. And 20. Well, this one is not completed. 3, I think it's good, yeah. And 3 over here is good. Let's check. They have 1, 2, 3 good ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 good ones, but this team finished first, right? And we gave this team the opportunity to finish. So I think it's a tie, okay? It's good. You did a good job, guys, with this activity. Let's clap our hands. Very good. Excellent. Okay. You did a good job with the numbers. Now, we're going to be talking about the topic, okay? Paychecks and budgets. I brought some flashcards. We're going to be using these flashcards to talk about paychecks and budgets. I'm going to introduce some words. For example, I want you to repeat after me, please. Earnings. Earnings. Okay, very good. Budget. Budget. Budgets. Budget.
Budget.
This is in singular and this one is in plural. Okay. I want you to ask me about the meaning in Spanish of the word budget. So I wrote this question on the board and I want you to use this question for asking me to ask the meaning of this word in Spanish. For example, what's the meaning of budget in Spanish? And I will give you the answer. Okay? Okay, so Sandra, I want you to ask me about the meaning of the word budget in Spanish. Go ahead.
What's the meaning of budget in Spanish?
Very good, very good. The meaning of the word budget is presupuesto. That's the meaning in Spanish. Okay? So, did you copy the meaning? Okay, write it down. The next word. The next word. Here we have this word. Expenses. Expenses. Everybody repeat after me. Expenses.
Expenses.
Okay, speak aloud. Expenses.
Expenses.
Okay, very good. Okay, let me see. Giovanni, I want you to ask me about the meaning of the word expenses in Spanish, okay? What's the meaning
of expenses in Spanish?
Okay, very good. What's the meaning of expenses in Spanish? Expenses is gastos. As you can see, there are numbers in red color, right? Because when you have an income, you have a lot of money. But when you have expenses, basically you're spending the money, right? Okay, everybody repeat after me. Expenses.
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 Okay, now we have this word. Okay, everybody repeat after me. Insurance.
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 Okay, let me see. Alexa, could you ask me about the meaning of insurance in Spanish? How do I say this in Spanish?
What's the meaning of insurance in Spanish?
Okay, what's the meaning of insurance in Spanish? The meaning in Spanish is seguro. As you can see, yeah, we have a family, and the family is protected because they have insurance. Okay, very good. Okay, bill.
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 Okay, Carlos, I want you to ask me about the meaning of the word bill.
What's the meaning of bill in Spanish?
Very good. Thank you. Okay, bill is cuenta. As you can see, this is an electricity. Yeah, it's an electricity bill. So you receive like a paper, like a document each month or at the end of the month, sometimes since the beginning, with an amount. Okay, now, paycheck.
Paycheck.
Everybody repeat after me. Paycheck.
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 Paychecks.
Paychecks.
Oh. And what do you see over here? What is it? It's a check. What do we use a check for? For giving money. Yeah, for paying money. So you receive a paycheck. When do you receive a paycheck? When you're working, right? When you're working. So can somebody, a volunteer, can somebody ask me about the meaning of paycheck? Oh, thank you very much. Steven.
What's the meaning of paycheck in Spanish?
Okay, let's repeat one more time. Paycheck, okay? Ask me one more time. Okay, paycheck. What's the meaning? Ask me again, one more time.
What's the meaning of paycheck in Spanish?
Okay, very good. What's the meaning of paycheck in Spanish? This is paga. When you receive a salary, somebody is paying you, right? Paga, paycheck. So, paychecks and budgets. Okay, savings.
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 All right. Let me see. Elgin. I'm sorry, Aileen. Could you ask me about the meaning of savings in Spanish?
What's the meaning of saving is money?
Okay, could you stand up, please? Could you stand up? Oh yeah, speak aloud. Okay, ask me one more time about the meaning of savings in Spanish, okay?
What's the meaning of saving is money?
Oh, very good, thank you. Savings is when you are saving money. Ahorros, right? Do you like saving money? You? Do you like saving money? Yes or not? Yes, of course. It's very good to save money. Okay? So now the next word is transportation. Everybody repeat after me. Transportation. Transportation. What is it? This is a bus, right? A bus. So this is a mean of transportation. Then we have, again, transportation. What is it? A taxi, correct, a taxi. Then we have another kind of transportation. It's like a motorcycle, but we call it caponera here in Nicaragua, right? So this is another mean of transportation. Okay, very good. Then we have allowance. Allowance. Blanca, could you ask me about the meaning of allowance in Spanish?
The meaning of allowance in Spanish.
Okay, very good, very good. Allowance is like mesada in Spanish. It's the money you receive. Okay, your parents give you money each week or per week. Maybe they give you 200 Cordobas or maybe they give you 100. It depends, right? That's the allowance the money that your parents give you for you to come to class, for you to go to school. Okay. Snacks. Snacks. Oh, very good. Something that you eat, right? But this is unhealthy. We have healthy snacks. Look, snacks. Healthy snacks. Of course, you have an apple, you have tomatoes, cookies, sandwiches. So they're healthy snacks, okay? Then we have earnings. Earnings. So, and what's the meaning of earnings? What's the meaning of earnings? Can somebody ask me about the meaning of? Could you, like a class, the whole class, repeat after me, please. What's the meaning? Of earnings? Earnings. Okay, in Spanish it means ganancias, money you get. Okay? Okay, very good class. Now, let's talk about Angela's budget. Angela's budget, okay? Sorry. As you can see, we have allowance, we have snacks, we have transportation, there are spendings, right? We have phone credits, school supplies, we have internet, and we have savings. I'm going to write some amounts over here. I want you to copy, please, okay? So, Angela is receiving 200 Cordobas per week, and it means that she's receiving an allowance. This is her allowance. And she spends, for snacks, 70 Cordobas per week. So she's spending 20 Cordobas per week in internet services. And she's saving 30 Cordobas per week. Okay? Did you finish? Did you copy? We're going to be working with these questions. Okay. Look, she's receiving 200 Cordobas per week, and she's spending 70 per week for snacks. She's eating too much, right? In transportation, she's spending 15 Cordobas per week. Phone credits, or the balance. So she's spending 40 Cordobas per week. School supplies, when talking about school supplies, we're talking about rulers, your pens, your notebooks, erasers. Those are school supplies. Then we have internet service. When you go to the internet cafe or or a cyber, we call it cyber here in Nicaragua, or an internet cafe, she's spending 20 Cordobas per week. And she's saving, this is very important, please pay attention. Savings. She's saving 30 Cordobas per week. This is per week, okay? So now we have these questions. Angela's budget comprehension questions. The first one is, how much money does Angela receive per month? The second one is, what are Angela's expenses? The third one, how much money does Angela spend per week? Number 4, how much money does Angela save per month? And number 5, what can Angela do with the money she saves? Okay? I want you to work in pairs with a partner, and I want you to work with these questions, all right? All right. And then we're going to be talking about the answers. All right, guys, I hope you are doing a good job today. Did you answer the questions together? Did you answer the questions, yes or not?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So I need some volunteers for you to come in front and answer the questions. You can come with the, okay, Alexa first, come, and then you, okay? Okay, I want you to use blue color, please. Use the blue one instead of the red one. Good. So the first question is, how much money does Angela receive per month? Okay. Okay. The second question is, what are Angela's expenses? All right. So in the first question, she says that she's receiving 200 Cordobas per month, which is good. Okay, in the second question, she says, what are Angela's expenses? She says snacks, transportation, okay? And how much money does Angela spend per week? 170 Cordobas, okay? All right, very good. Who is our next volunteer? Okay. Give the marker to him, please. So he says, let me see. How much money does Angela save per month? He says 150. We're going to check that out. The last question is, what can Angela do with the money she saves? Okay, thank you. Question number 1, 200 Cordobas. Is it correct? Yes, it is 200 Cordobas. What are Angela's expenses? Alexa, she says snacks, okay, transportation, but we have to add phone credit. What else? School supplies. Internet, of course. So let's write internet over here. Okay, but it's good. How much money, question number 3, how much money does Angela spend per week? She says 170, yeah. If you, okay, this is about math. 70 plus 15 plus 40 plus 25 and plus 20, it should be 170 Cordobas. Number 4, how much money does Angela save per month? He says 150. She's saving 30 Cordobas per week. If you multiply 30 by 4, it's gonna give you 120, correct, 120. So the correct answer, the correct answer is 120, okay? Number 5, what can Angela do with the money she saves? He says she can, I think it's buy, right? She can buy more school supplies. That's a good option. That's a good option. Okay, remember that saving money is very important for your future. So please, when having that kind of habit is good. Having that kind of habit is good because we can think about our future and we can have money when we need it. Okay, very good. All right, today we studied about paychecks and budgets, right? So I hope you like the class. Don't forget to practice at home. Don't forget to practice with the vocabulary we studied today. And here I have the homework. The homework is using Angela's budget as a model, make a personal budget, and answer the questions practiced in class, these questions, with your own information. For example, everybody please pay attention. For example, now you have to do it with your own information, all right? For example, if you receive like 300 per month, you have to specify it here, okay? And the same questions, but this time it's going to be with your name. Let me see. Yeah, I think we can. No, okay. Oh, for example, Carlos, or let me see, Luis. Or let's work with this. I was thinking about the names because of the grammar. So Tony's budget is an example. It can be Karin's budget or Alexa's budget. All right? Write your name, and of course you have to change the answers, right? Change the answers. And basically you have to answer the same questions with your own information. That's the homework. Okay? And please pay special attention to the last question. The last question is, what can you do with the money you save? All right? All right, guys, did you copy the homework? Did you copy?
Yeah.
Let me see. I trust you guys. I trust you. No problem. I know you copied the homework. All right. So, hope you like this class, and I will see you next time. Okay? Thank you very much for coming today. Let's clap our hands.